Today we're in the kitchen, cooking up extra energy savings. We'll make some tasty treats and unlock the most efficient ways to run appliances you may already have. Today's top tip, use the oven wisely. It's a big space to heat up, and it takes a while to get up to temp. So if you're making something small, prepare it in something smaller. An air fryer can cook French fries or veggies using about half the energy. Countertop toaster ovens heat up faster, and if you've got a pressure cooker, it's an even more efficient option. Great for foods like stew or rice. Using these smaller appliances in the summer means the big oven won't be heating up your house, which just adds extra work for your air conditioner. After dinner, explore your dishwasher settings to save even more. Turning off pre-rinse and turning on eco mode will clean your dishes but use less water and energy. And wait to run a cycle until it's full. You also can turn off the heated dry setting and air dry everything overnight. The fridge is often forgotten, but may use 10% of the energy in your whole house. To keep it operating efficiently, wipe the coils clean at least once a year, keep it a few inches from the wall, and make sure the door seals aren't leaking cold air. You've got gaps if you can slide $1 in the opening. You also can set your freezer and fridge to these temps to make sure you aren't cooling food colder than necessary, but are still keeping it fresh. At the cooktop, using lids locks in heat and warms food faster, using less energy. Make sure your pots and pans are on burners the same size, and remember, even after you turn off the burners, there's still some residual heat that can help keep food warm. If you're in the market for a cooktop, consider induction. These cooktops are extra efficient and heat extra fast. They work kind of like your wireless phone charger, but for food. And they're safer too, since they mostly heat the cookware, not the cooktop. And being able to quickly wipe away any spills may save you some energy too. At home, the biggest savings still come from keeping your house insulated and sealed and your HVAC running efficiently. But after you've done all that, consider rethinking your kitchen routines. If we all find some small ways to save, we can make a bigger energy impact together. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to MG&E's energy experts. We're here to help.